I've got a bunch of readers here. I'm going to put these off to the side. And just to prove like no smoke and mirrors, let me come around to the camera and show you this is a Signo reader. This is a Signo 20 in black, NKS, so it's a 20 NKS 00, which means it supports everything, procs, iClass, CIOS, DesFire, all that. And then all zeros on the end, meaning this is as bone stock is. This is like you went to a distributor, picked one up off the shelf. This is what you're gonna get. So let's open up the box. And what have we got? We got a Signo reader, Signo 20 in black, as mentioned. Here's my battery pack. This is a 12 volt, 3 amp battery pack. It's also USB, 5 volts. Take my red and my black and put that into the positive and negative. Okay, I'm all wired up just for power. Obviously, I'm not connected to an access control system or anything like that, but this is just to show you how easy it is. Once I fire this thing up right out of the box, bone stock, will it work with HID mobile access? Turn it on. Reader's powering up. You can see the little purple LED line there. While that's firing up, I'm going to open up my phone and open up the HID mobile access app. And you can see on the screen here, that's my credential. You can see up in the corner it says MOB S key, or MOBSKey as we call it internally. That is a designation for using the CIOS key for mobile access. So this reader is fired up, the LED color is red. I take my credential here and then I approach the reader, beep beep, and I'm through the door. I did not use Reader Manager. I did not connect to this through HID Link. I literally, you saw me take the box, plug it in with my battery pack, and using this credential that I issued right out of the Origo portal, no integration to an access control software or anything like that. I emailed myself this credential, redeemed it, and now I'm going through the door. Now here's the beauty part with the mobile access app. So you can see I've got the MOBSKey credential in here, and you can see like there's my card number and everything. I'm card number 50, but I've also got, whoops, that's my face. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, plus an Apple Wallet credential, all living inside of the app. So theoretically, if I had deployed the CIOS key and I have another reader that has my dedicated custom mob key, I can have both credentials inside of this app and the reader will know exactly which one to choose. In fact, this credential right here is the one that works on the office door here at CTCI. So when I approached that door, I didn't do anything to my phone, I just tapped my phone to the reader. The reader knew which credential to look for, and then it transmitted this credential. But now you can see I have the wrong credential selected, but it pulled the right one and let me through the door. I also wanted to take a second and ensure you that if you have a compatible multi-class reader, right, like the RP10, RP15, RP40, like I have here, and it has this little Bluetooth module on the back. We call this the backpack, the Bluetooth backpack. It's the BTS Smart Module. Basically, this has the Smart Module already on it. No keys on here. Mob S key on here. Beep, beep. So whether it's a brand new Signo reader or legacy multi-class readers that you have in your environment, without any key set on here, the mobile access credential will still work. And of course, this reader can also support a custom mob key too. So this can be part of your legacy migration. So we want to start with mobile access right now. We're going to use our older multi-class readers with the CIOS key. We're going to use the Signo readers, maybe with a custom key or with the CIOS key for the ones that are already in the field. They will both work. Oh, by the way, also works with a physical card, but it also works with your mobile credential. If you'd like to learn more about using the Bluetooth backpack, using the CIOS key, using your custom mob keys, or about mobile access in general, leave me a comment below, shoot me an email, phil.capola@hidglobal.com, or just ping me on whatever platform you're watching me on right now, and I'll get back to you right away, and we'll see you on the next one.